You are unwise to lower your defenses.
A North Carolina home belonging to gospel royalty also has ties to a galaxy far, far away. The 8,700 square foot home sits on almost 2 acres in Raleigh and is listed for $1.55 million. The queen of gospel music, aka Shirley Caesar, has owned the place for about 20 years. She is now 83 years old and wants to downsize. When she was house shopping many years ago, the listing agent says one look at this home's theater on the 3rd floor sealed the deal. The previous owners put about $300,000 into building the Star Wars and Star Trek themed theater. Caesar hasn't changed a thing, including the flashing marquee, concession stand, purple velvet seats, teal ceilings, and more. Like magic, a wave of the hand near Darth Vader opens the doors to the theater where a stormtrooper stands guard.
Let me see your identification.
The rest of the 4-bedroom house is stately elegance with huge windows, high ceilings, and an open floor plan. With its salmon-colored marble, the main bathroom stands out from the rest of the white and gray house. The closet is huge and fit for a star. But it's the theater that is attracting lots of attention. Within days of the home's listing, it went viral, eclipsing its famous owner. Caesar has released more than 40 albums since she began recording music in 1951. She has won 11 Grammy Awards, including a Lifetime Achievement Grammy, and has a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame.